What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2010 Honda Pilot. I'm going to replace transmission oil. It doesn't have any filter, so you don't need to worry. So I'm going to replace a spark plug and other stuff. Stay tuned for that video. It'll be a different video. For the transmission, it's different. It'll be very short video. It's not going to be long video, so it's easy to do that too. So I have someone to record me today, but only today. Maybe next time too, but we'll see. Is someone behind the camera, but we're not going to reveal the guy or the girl, so very good. So okay guys, so to fill the oils over there, it's no splurry, so over there it's 40 millimeter. First take this bolt, otherwise if you drain the transmission oil, if you can't take this bolt, can't fill the transmission oil. So take this one first and drain it. No filter, you don't need to worry anything. So now I already take this one. I'm going to take it off the bolt, and I'm going to drain it. I'm going to show you under the car. So I don't know if you can see or not. Down there, I can reach to. It's hard to. I already take the 40 millimeter. We'll see. It's over there. Okay. I'm going to take it before I drain it. I'll show you what kind of. Here it is. Big bolt. I think there's a washer down there, big bolt. I don't think I have that one, but I'm not going to replace that washer. The over here, let me take this one. You can reuse it, but Honda dealership they say don't use it. Can't use it. It's not maybe for the down there under the car. So let us go under the car and drain it now. Alright guys, so the trim plug is over. Where is it? It's over here. So just regular tool, going to put this one in. But if you have a longer ratchet, it will be helpful, because if you never replace it, it's stronger. So it's over here. Be careful, go fly like this way. So I'm going to find out. I already made it loose over here. Hopefully it doesn't shoot. Sometimes it will shoot. Just getting training. Oh, it's not that much dirty too. But I think you have, I don't know how many miles, but it's not that much heavy oil. I don't know how much. So I'm going to clean this magnet over here. Let me drain it, and then I'm going to put what I got out. Let me finish it. Almost finished. Let me drain the whole thing and then I'll be back. So guys, here it is. So how dirty it is. The metal shaving. So I'm going to clean now. It's not the worst, but so I'm going to replace this one too. I believe I have it over here. I have more. I don't know. I have small and big, but the bigger one I don't have for that one. If your car doesn't have a filter, all cars have it, this the magnet thing, but yeah. I'll just clean, it's better. More, yeah. So I think it's drained. Yeah, I think going to, I mean, Honda says replace it, but you could replace it or it's your choice. Alright guys, it's almost drained out, so I'm going to put the drain plug back. It's hard to record, and yeah, my camera guy, it's not going to be easy for him. Oh yeah, so put it back. And then I'm going to put oil right now. I'm going to do the engine oil too. I might include it in here, but no, it's for that. I'm going to bolt it more, and then I'm going to put the oil. So I'm going to put on inside this container, and I'm going to measure, or you can search on internet, but it's not that much, too much. I believe we're going to put 3.5 quarts. This transmission is not that much dirty, the oil. Alrighty, how much we have, but I'm going to put a 3.5 5 quarts. Let me see this one, how much it is. It is almost, I guess, 3. It's less than 3 quarts. Okay guys, I'm going to fill it. So I'm going to use this pump. You can find it from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. This one I get from Amazon too. I don't know if the dealership's cheaper or Amazon. I'm not sure. So I get it from Amazon. So this one I get it. Okay, and I'm going to put a 3.5 quarts. It's better I use the pump than you can use a funnel, but I don't have that kind of long funnel from there. Okay, it'll be harder. So I'm going to put like this. Sometimes the over here it will fly. I have to hold it like this, otherwise I'll be screwed. Okay, I'm going to start right now. Before I it's inside, yep. It's hard to show you too, but I'm going to fill it now. Okay, one's done, I believe. There's a little bit that I'm going to use later. It's faster if I use this one, I believe. I don't know, I'm not sure. Be careful, sometimes we'll do some crazy stuff. So I'm going to put this one, there's more inside, so I'm going to put it like this. Otherwise it's not going to be 3. And then that one too. So my pump's leaking oil too from on this side. Alrighty, so we're going to put now 3. We put 3, so 1/2. So around here, I'm going to put. I think it's good. Let me do a little bit. Very good. So all done. So yeah, all done. I'm going to put this one back. So yeah, let me put it back everything and then I'll be back. Okay guys, all done. I fill 3.5 quarts. I put it back, everything's put it back. I'm going to start later, doesn't matter. Now I'm going to do other stuff. That video is different, so stay tuned for that and see you in another video.